Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today, we'll be solving this question which states that divide the polynomial px by qx using the process of long division. That means we have to use the process of long division to divide this polynomial by this one. So let's do it. Solution. So first, let's draw this one. So this is the long division. Then we'll write, so the polynomial that you're going to divide is called the dividend. So we'll write this dividend inside here. X is the power of 5 plus 4x is the power of 4. Then here so here, even though there's no x is the power of 3 here, we have to write 0 to represent it because we'll need it when we are doing subtraction. Plus 0 x is the power of 3 plus 0 x is the power of 2 also minus 3x plus 5. So the polynomial that we are dividing by, that is the one that is the denominator. That one is called the divisor. So the divisor will be placed outside here. So it will be s cubed There is no x squared coefficient, so we'll write plus 0 x squared minus 2x plus 1. So now you must, before we begin this long division, you must note that for two polynomials to divide, the degree of the divisor must be less than or equal to the degree of the dividend. This is the divisor, this is the dividend. This dividend, the degree is 5, is greater than the degree of the divisor, which is 3. So if this degree now is 6 and this is 5, we cannot do this division. So for us to be able to do this division, it has to be 5. It can be 5. This degree can be 5 downwards. So it can be 5, 4, 3 coming down. But it can never be greater than this, the dividend, that of the dividend, the degree of the dividend. If it's greater, we can't do this long division. So we can continue. Since we can do it, the degree is less than the degree of the divisor. The degree of the divisor is less than that of the dividend, so we can proceed. So now we'll say this divided by this is what? X squared. X squared. So x squared multiplied by this is what? X squared times this is x to the power of 5. X squared times this is what? 0 plus 0 x to the power of 4. X squared times this is what? Negative 2x cubed. X squared times this is what? Plus x squared. Then we minus this. Then we'll subtract this from this. So this minus this is 0. This minus this is what? Plus 4. X is the power of 4. This minus this is what? To be this minus minus, so it's plus 2s cubed. This minus this is negative x squared. Then you bring these two down. Minus 3x plus 5. So again, we will be doing this. Now again, we will divide this by this. So we'll be doing this until we get a remainder that the degree is less than that of the divisor. So until we get a remainder that the degree is less than that of the divisor, which is this one, we can't stop. So now this divided by this is what? Is 4x. So it's plus 4x here. So now 4x multiplied by this is 4x. So 4x times this is what? 4x raised to the power of 4. Then 4x times this is what? 0 to be plus 0 what? X cubed. Then 4x times this is what? Negative 8x squared. Then 4x times 1 is what? Is plus 4x. Then we'll minus this. So now, when we minus this, what do we get? This will be 0. This will be plus 2x cubed. This will be negative 1. It's negative, negative, positive. So it's 8 minus 1, which is what? 7. Plus 7x squared. This is negative 3, negative 4 is negative 7 also. Negative 7x. Then we'll bring this 5 down. Plus 5. So now the degree of this remainder is equal to this. So we'll still divide it until it becomes less than the degree of this. So 2x cubed over x cubed is what? Is 2. So here is plus 2. So 2 times this is 2s cubed. 2 times this is 0 plus 0x squared. 2 times this is negative 4. Negative 4x. Then 2 times this is plus 2. So now we'll minus this. So this minus this is what? 0. This minus this is plus 7x squared. This minus this becomes minus minus plus. So it's 4 minus 7, which is minus 3x. Then this minus this, 5 minus 2 is what? 3. That's plus 3. So now this is the remainder now, because we cannot divide it any longer because the degree of this is less than the degree of the divisor. So since the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor, we will stop here. So now, and this one above here is the quotient. This one is the quotient. This is the remainder. This is the divisor, and this is the dividend. So we can express this. X raised to the power of 5 plus 4x raised to the power of 4 minus 3x plus 5 divided by s cubed minus 2x plus 1. We can express it as the quotient x squared plus 4x plus 2 plus the remainder, which is 7, plus the remainder, which is 7x squared minus 3x plus 3 divided by the divisor, which is this s cubed minus 2x plus 1. So this, if you solve this, maybe you find the LCM is this. If you times it by this, then times it by this and divide by this. So if you work this one, you will get the same answer. You can test it. If you add this to this, you will get the same, you get this back. So we have successfully and if you test and it gives you this, that means your calculation is correct. So if you work this, it should give you this. So this is how you use long division to divide two polynomials. And you can also put this in bracket if you wish. You can also put this in bracket if you wish to distinguish this from this, but it's the same thing. So you can put it like this. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.